Ever wondered how to make your Cinc Clips look unbelievably smooth with mind-bending slow motion or eye-catching speed ramps? First, import your Cinc Clip into your preferred editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. Drag your Cinc Clip onto the timeline. Next, precompose your Cinc Clip on the timeline. Name the precomp something descriptive like Cinc_Clip_Twixtor. This is crucial for proper effect application. Locate and apply the Twixtor Pro plugin to your precomposed clip. You can find the plugin under the Effects panel. Now, dive into Twixtor's settings. Start by adjusting the speed parameter to achieve your desired slow motion or speed up effect. Lower values slow down the footage, while higher values increase the speed. Fine-tune the motion vectors settings. Experiment with motion vector quality and alignment to minimize any warping or artifacts, especially in scenes with complex movement. Next, tweak the frame interpolation section to ensure you get the best possible results. Sometimes changing these settings will drastically improve the look of the effect. Preview your clip frequently, render out a small section to check for any unwanted artifacts and adjust your settings accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment. And there you have it. With a little tweaking, you can transform your Cinc Clips into visually stunning pieces, ready to captivate your audience. Elevate your video editing skills. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome video editing tutorials. #video editing #TWIXTOR